situation with the euro. We're gonna do the euro and the pound, of course, but I'm trying to make you think in the sequence so that you, when you're choosing tomorrow, you choose which one you are. So we can take the euro because the euro and the pound are pretty much in the same, but the euro is pegged, or there is all this intervention taking place with regards to the euro. And if you look at the euro chart, as you know, this is I mean, technically we are in a bear market for the euro. We should be looking for a further decline to the downside. And the same setup that we have here is pretty much the same setup that we had from the Aussie dollar. And what is that? We were trading above the 133.53, which is a structural point. We pushed above and took the 135, which it is not a structural point, but it is a significant point. It's not a structure, it's significant. And so we moved from one structural point to a significant, and then we failed to stay above it for 3 consecutive days. And we turned around, we had a sell signal, and we traded below those days. So we have a major sell signal, and the market closed at 133.92. So I want to be short the euro, but I have a major structure point over here, which is the 133.35. Like that. And we are now, this is the 133, I'm sure it's 133.34. Now we're still looking for a decline, and now I am 50 pips away from, about 50 pips away from my entry point, or from my next structure short point. With the euro, we need to be careful because, again, it is subject to some sort of intervention. So if we're going to take the short, we're going to take the short and keep a tight stop. Now you can see the major decline that we had. So if I'm going to buy the euro, you want to make sure that it gets above, in this case, the market side, and this is the 134.44. 134.42. So you're gonna buy it above, it gets above the market side. So we'll buy it above 134. And if I buy it right there, I'm going to place my stop right below the 134.17. So my long stop is going to be 1.3417. If I buy it over here, my stop is below this one. I'm not going to give it more than 30 pips on that trade. Okay? And on the upside, the next structure point or significant point is the 135. So we're going to put it here just so we don't waste time. Right? Now, but the key is this thing wants to go down. It looks like we have a sell signal. My low structure point is 133.34. But I need to time myself into taking the short. We are going to take the short below the low of this day. So below this low, this is our short point. The low of the day is 1363. Okay, So 133.63, that is our short point. We are not going to take it short unless it trades below 133.63, which is this low. When it takes that, we're going to take it short. And if I do, my structure point is the 133.34. Okay? And if I take it short below this, below the 133.36, I'm not going to give it more than 133.85 as a stop. Because if it takes out this low, this thing should capitulate and take down the structure point of 133.34. If it doesn't break this, then you're out. Okay? So let's wrap this up. So the euro, we are going to go long the euro above 134.42, and if I do, my stop is below 134.17. I'm risking about 30 pips, and I have a structure point above me about at 135. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 133.63, which is the previous daily low, and I have a structure point of 133.34, which should go towards it and capitulate, and I'm using a very tight stop of 133.25. I'm risking about 20 pips on that trade. Okay, that is the euro dollar. Let me save that.